Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we're going to be going over the NK65. We did a live stream on it and we pulled some of the footage from there, but this one's a little bit different. So here it is after all its glory. We did wind up switching the keys back over to GMK Red Sun. I was waiting for them to come in. They finally did, and you'll see that in the build. We've added a few different things in the video than we've done before. So let's just get into it. And if you guys like this video, please smash that like button, leave a comment, thumbs up. You know, it all helps the channel. Thank you guys very much, and let's get on it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This way. Which way? So we're doing a little bit of a different angle. We're not doing it from up top. We're doing it from the side, as you can see over here in the middle camera, which you can see the camera right here. So a little different. We got ourselves a NK65. These were really hard to get in the beginning, but they're good now. They had another wave of different colors that came out. I wind up picking up the gold, the Cartridge gold. It's PC plastic, Hotswap. And we're also going to be putting in a set of these guys. They had a Gateron Gold Cap, pre-lubed from the factory. Very, very thin viscosity, though. Very thin. So we're going to try them out without lubing them because they are pre-lubed. Let's just unbox this thing and start doing this video. Now, I have not opened this yet to look at it, so you're getting the first look just like me. It comes in a nice, comes in its own case. It's actually pretty nice. Not bad. Not bad, not bad fabric. Bit rate is 0, huh? Okay. I don't know what that is, but if you're watching, let me know if there's something wrong with it. All right, let's see what comes in here. Okay, so apparently NK65 uses VIA, which we do have downloaded already. Okay, I think that's really about it. Okay. All right, comes with a cable. Not bad, clear plastic wrapping. You can see the wires in there. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad for being included. Not at all. That's it up there, yep. And then we'll go to the actual board here. Yeah, come on. All right. We'll move the case out of the way for right now. Go ahead and take it out as plastic. Get rid of that. All right, so not too bad. The only downside that I'm not a huge fan on is going to be that these are only plate mounted stabs. So you can't actually screw them down to the PCB, but it does have individual south facing LEDs. So this thing is going to glow up pretty good. Rubber strips on the back. Keep it down. Nice novel keys engraving here. Not bad. For being plastic, it's got a little bit of weight to it. Nothing nothing too big, nothing too heavy. So it's good. So we're gonna have to first start off by, are these lubed? These are not lubed. So we are gonna have to go ahead and get these lubed up. Or should we just do it straight out of the box, not lubed? You know what? Let's do it straight out of the box, not lubed, nothing. Just how a beginner would just go ahead and build on this. And then maybe we'll pop in and we'll use a little bit of the lube to see if it changes the sound at all. All right. So being that it's a Hotswap, there's really not much you have to do to this just to get it to start going. So we're going to go ahead and start popping some switches in. Now the board does allow for 3-pin and 5-pin, as you can see. All right. So we're just going to go ahead and start popping some switches in. Okay, so for the kid, guy, person, don't know who, left a comment about smashing my face on a keyboard, here you go. Happy? That's me smashing it, not this. Let's go.